Why, hello everybody. I'm doing a bit of a vlog today. I'm heading off to Dan Murphy's to pick up some beer. I really don't know what yet. Hope you guys can see me. I'm going to get out there. I'm in my red Commodore once again. I won't play any music because that'll just drive people the algorithm right up the crap. I'm off today. It's a Thursday today. I'm starting to get more time off work, which is great. It's going to give me more time to vlog and do videos, as well as drink beer and make beer. It's going to be great. I'm off to Dan Murphy's today to pick up what I hope is an NE IPA that they may have in stock. I hope they have something in stock at least. I thought maybe you guys are interested. If you want to join me, stick around. So I'm just heading down in my town of Traralgon, and if you guys haven't seen it before, we're starting to open up. Everything's starting to get back to normal a little bit. There's never going to be really normal as such for a very long time. I think a lot of the places around here are going to be a bit strict on the COVID thing. You know, what are you going to do? But I thought, you know, if I give you guys a bit of a tour of my township, you might see where I live. This town, when I've moved here, only had about 15,000 people in it, which is pretty big for a little town. And it's got about 30,000 now. It's doubled in size in 7 years, so it's crazy. We've had new structures built. We have two other towns in Traralgon that are and Gippsland, sorry, in the valley, that are fairly big, and we were looked after by one municipality for about 20 years. Morwell and Moe, as you guys probably have heard about before, have been looked after by the municipality, trying to bring it up and get it bigger, get it more populated. Sorry, get it more populated, get it, you know, get more structure in the place. But it's it didn't happen. For 20 years they kept building new buildings in those towns, new sports arenas, new everything, and it just hasn't worked for them. So what they did in the last 5 years is decide that they're going to start, or Traralgon itself is going to start looking after Traralgon only, which they hadn't done for 20 years or 25 years. So what happened now is they've gone, all right, we've got a town that's growing very quickly. No matter what we do, it's going to keep growing. It's not going to change. So we're going to start building it. And they did. They built a big sports complex for swimming and all the amenities you'll ever want, even now water slides and everything. Excuse me. We've got now a six screen theatre built, running, and I went there just last night actually and watched the movie. And we also have a huge theatre. Now this theatre was something that they've been talking about for a long time, and they finally did. It's a multi-million-dollar complex, and it's beautiful. We would like to give you a tour of that in the future, but not at the moment. But the old buildings are still here for the structure. We also have, in our town, we also have a pretty big tennis centre. We have tennis, what is it? World tennis competitions. It's not you know the major Grand Slams or anything, but it's a high-end, world-class tennis centre where people come here and play tennis and win good prizes and everything else. So it's really growing, really getting big. So in the last 2 years, the place has just completely changed. It's structures changed, the streets, the buildings have changed. We have more structure. As you probably saw in past videos, there was a flood in Traralgon. But a lot of the old buildings are still here. I play in a band, as you know, as some of you know, and I played in nearly every venue here. I've got a roundabout here. I'm just getting across. So I'm in a 40 zone at the moment. Turn the heater off. It's getting warm. Yeah, so it's huge. The place is just structurally big, or it's structurally giant, to tell you the truth. Here's the theatre here. So I'm heading to Dan Murphy's, as I've just said. Here's that big big building here for the theatre. I hope you're recording, actually. That's just something new. I've got to concentrate on the road here. So I haven't made any beers for a while, so... Oh, I have, but nothing's ready. So it's just sitting there, and there are, you know, videos coming out soon. And I just... Sorry, concentrating again. I just want to go get some beers and have you know, a 6-pack of any IPAs or something like that, and just relax today. That's what I'm doing. Editing videos, of course, and this will be the one I'll edit as well today. Hopefully it'll come out okay. Sorry about the audio. I haven't got a microphone on me at the moment. Oh, jeez, she just stopped suddenly. Now I've just been informed that what is it? Greenleaf Hydroponics and Homebrew, the owner of that, wants to sell up. She's selling, she hasn't told me how much she wants for it, but I said to her, I'll get on my YouTube account, and I just went the wrong way, didn't I? No deal. And let you guys know that she's selling up. If you guys are interested, give her a call and see, make her an offer. It's probably going to be a thriving business. She's just run it really well, I suppose, and kept it going for 5 years. Now she wants to sell up because she wants to retire, and you know, one of you out there might even grab yourself a business. I don't know. So I just went the wrong way because I'm not concentrating on the road. I'm thinking about other things. Right, well, some people work on automatic. I think some people just don't know how to talk to customers, I suppose. But I got myself a Golden Path Hazy Indian IPA. It's 4% alcohol, and it's from the Garage Project. So hopefully it's nice. We'll see how it goes. And I also got a weird looking American whiskey, so I thought I'd try that too today, just to, like I said, I'm doing a relaxing day today, so I hope you see what I see. It's really hard to try and vlog in places like that because there's a lot of stuck up people, and I was a bit worried that someone was going to get a bit upset if I'm filming them, so I just had the camera in my hand and hopefully I picked something up. Good thing about GoPros is they have like a horizontal stabilization, so it looks like it's straight even when I'm holding it on an angle, so hopefully it came out alright. Yeah, so I hope you didn't mind that little trip. Just a quick vlog, something to give you guys to have a look at. And once I get back, I'll do a bit of a tasting. Okie dokie, I've got my hoppy beer, Cloudy IPA. I couldn't get any IPA, I couldn't find one, but I did look hard, but you know, this one looks pretty good. It said it had Galaxy on it. This is a Highway to Haze Golden Path Hazy Indian IPA. It's brewed with Mosaic, Columbus, and Strata hops. It's at a deliciously sessionable strength, 4%. Looks good so far. Looks clean. I hope it tastes the way it smells. Same old, you know, the hazy. I can smell the citrus again. Pineapple. Oh, pineapple. I don't know why, but I really like a pineapple taste in the beer. I don't like pineapple on its own. I don't know, it's got a bit of sourness to it, which is not bad. It's slightly dry, which is great. It's not overly sweet. Yeah, I'm liking it already. This is one that I don't mind looking at. It's called Garage Project. I've already said that. Oh, yeah, when you smell it, you can smell it's like a sweet type of scent to it. But when you drink it, it's sour, definitely a sour flavour to it. Let me see, what's it say on the can? Oh, hard to read out. Hazy session brewed with Mosaic, Columbus, and Strata hops. Hazy IPA enabled to drink. Yeah, it's all got the same information. Garage Project. We are here to try something new, just like you. Accredited living wage provider and zero carbon. Not really much on it about anything. Good little bit of artwork, I don't mind it. It looks very 60s retro. And they're from Wellington, by the look of it. So where's Wellington? Arrow Street, Wellington. I wonder if it's Australian. Best before 20. No, I'm joking. 1958, 22. So it's still in date. I'll have to look up and find out where they come from or who they are. Not a bad beer. I'll pop the little carton in the fridge. Keep it cool. Now you know what's in my fridge. Alright, I'm going to go and drink this in my editing room. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for being part of this video. Cheers guys, we'll see you in the next one. Just one last quick mention. There's a drink called Solo in Australia. I'm pretty sure it's a worldwide. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like a Solo. It's fizzy in like a Solo, not overly carbonated. And it has that lemony taste with a nice hoppy citrus smell, but a little bit stronger. So it's like a Solo. If you like a Solo, you'll like this. It's actually really good. Love it. See you soon.